Tsepe doesn't have time for such things. Anyways, I see there's a new person here.
Yeah.
Let us move on. That one.
Let's move.
Let's move on.
Coach.
Yes, my G.
Do you have a question, Kamkhelo, or something you want to add as well to the conversation, my brother?
A question from Coach.
Okay.
Yes, you can ask, my king.
How much does it take to be a fundamental trader?
Well, how much? What do you mean?
Like, what do you have to know? All the information.
Okay. Firstly, my king, this is how it works, ne?
Yeah.
You must first trade all the events, right?
Yeah.
And then here's the trick in it. After trading, you need to record each and every event's movement.
Yeah.
That's how you learn. I'm gonna give you an example. 4 a.m. today, something is gonna happen on NZD and all NZD pairs. So what you need to do is to record the same movement, because next month it's coming back. So if it's a bad movement, you know you don't need to trade it. If it's a good one, then you know you need to trade it. That's how you know how to tackle with that, my king.
Okay.
Yes, correct.
Thank you, Coach.
All right. Thanks a lot, my brother.
Thanks, Mr. Kamkhelo. I'm seeing people are requesting. I guess I don't know if people are okay. Let me just maybe add one more person, and then we can maybe try to wrap up. Yeah, this thing we should have, Okay, hold on. Let's see somebody.
Yeah.
Hey, chap.
Good day. Yo, how are you?
What's that, Fede?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
Yes. Do you have a question or perhaps commentary on what was being said tonight, man?
Yes, I just want to ask Coach something.
Yeah.
Yes, my G.
Yes, Mr. Coach, I've been trying to get a hold of you. Yeah, it's not Forex related, but I also do Forex on the side. I'm still learning.
Okay, talk to me, my king.
There's a competition, my king, that you did the last to comment. You see that competition? Yes, my king, and there's a whole hour that went by and no one commented, and I would just like you to just look into that and please reply to me about that.
You are referring to Facebook or Instagram?
Instagram, king.
Or Instagram, all right, sharp. I'll normally I've actually handed all those things to my PA to handle. But yeah, I'll just have a look. But one thing I know, every 20 minutes, 30 minutes, there's always a notification of people commenting all the time, I'll just ask my PA to run an audit in terms of maybe if there has been an hour lapsing whereby there is no follow-up comment whatsoever. Yeah, I'll just ask her to do that tomorrow. It's not a problem. And then I'll post on my stories if there's anything that she found. Because on my side, because it's my post, it's easier to see the newest comment, unlike when you are just going through the comments as a viewer. You understand?
Yes.
Correct. Thank you so much.
Thanks, my brother. Let's see.
Yeah.
If we can.
So exhibit.
Yeah, I'm here, bro.
You see the kind of people we need to deal with in SA. They come back and they come in and they tell you.
No. We have to deal with this.
They are not asking you. They are telling you.
You have to deal with it accordingly.
Yeah, good day.
Mr. Boysen, how are you?
My brother.
I'm good, and how are you, sir?
I'm great, Mr. Boysen. Any commentary, my man? Any question or anything you'd like to add, perhaps?
I have a question specifically for the coach.
Correct, my G. You can ask.
So during the live, I heard you mention that you purchased assets using your business account. Since you've been trading using your business account.
Yes.
You said people that are using their personal accounts are not paying tax. So I guess you using your business account, you're actually paying tax.
Correct, my king.
So I want to know what's the benefit of using a business account and actually paying tax to purchase assets compared to
I love your question.
That's a very good question.
Paying tax on a personal level remember we are talking about people who are employed, and we are talking about traders, two different people, right? Now, as an employee, you are paying tax because you don't have a choice. If you are earning 50,000,
I'm good, sir. How are you doing?
Yes. Any commentary, my man? Thanks so much. I'm good, thanks.
In fact, I have a question. It was a question, but I think I got an answer, because my question was in line with Forex, with trading. I wanted to know, he said, the coach said, you can record the trade that you made. Like, in fact, some of the time they can repeat themselves later on. So I just found that very informative to me. Like, I've been struggling with these things. I think maybe it might help me in the long run.
You see, well, speaking of that, I'm sending you, I'm giving you a task now. 4 a.m., 4 o'clock a.m., check NZD USD or any pair which has NZD. Check what's happening, check how it moves. Do a screen record, and then in the morning, watch it all over again. Because the same movement that you're seeing is coming back a month later. Meaning that if you know that it's going to move on this day at this particular time, it makes it easier for you to prepare for it next time. NZD, 4 o'clock, watch it and check the movement, and then come thank me after that. Remember, you are thanking me for knowledge, not money. Not making money. You'll not be making money. You'll just be getting the knowledge in terms of how to know when the market is going to react. And yeah, basically, that's fundamental.
Gentlemen, let's have some closing words. Should we start with Mr. Exhibit? Any last words, closing remarks, closing points, corrections, misconceptions, anything you want to share before we wrap up?
Yeah, okay, yeah. Oh, well, thanks very much for having me here in the car, and our colleague who is here, and all those that have joined this, and all those who are watching as well. We appreciate you. I know you are people who want to understand what is going on with regards to the world itself and how it is evolving. Yeah. What I've learned at the moment is, most people, they just want to do things because other people are doing it without understanding. And people, they need to understand. If they want to invest, they have to understand what repercussions, they have to understand the tax issues, they have to understand the environment that they are operating. It's not you have to do things because other person are doing it. So if somebody is doing some other things that they're doing, it's good to learn from them, and it's good to acquire knowledge from them, and not to be cocky and think, oh no, this is how things go on, and patronize other people and things like that. Yeah, let's understand and how things works basically before getting whatever that you want to do. Basically that's what I can only say at this juncture, and also to thank all the people who are watching, like I said before. That's it really.
All right, Mr. Exhibit, thanks so much. You have a good one, my man. Thanks so much. No?
Yeah, no, while you are still on the line, Mr. Exhibit, I also, from me to you, I've learned a lot, and I've also learned a lot, including how to be mature. You've added on top of my maturity.
Exhibit, yeah,
Trust me, if
he
it
has a
wasn't
PhD
because of
there.
you, you see that guy that came in to tell me about my life, it would have been horrible for me. I was gonna be throwing tantrums at his parents, which was gonna be unnecessary. Because tomorrow, when I see such videos, I'm not proud. You understand? So I've learned how to be calm, and all thanks to you, my brother. Thank you so much.
Oh,
Yeah, I've,
thank
I've
you very
also
much.
followed you. So when I hit the threshold of 6 million US dollars, I will definitely contact you
Oh,
to
thank
learn
you very
more.
much, bro.
Yeah,
Thank
in
you so
terms of
much.
how you can assist me.
Yeah,
That's
we can
much
put it in
appreciated.
charity. We can organize
Yes.
it in South Africa. Me, Ndika, because Ndika's got a lot of followers, and you guys, you've got a
Yeah.
lot of followers. We can be able to assist some other people who are struggling, especially myself. My charities with regards to
Yeah.
orphans, they're the ones who are my priority. They're the ones who I'm supporting at this. So yeah, we can make a difference in this world
Yeah.
rather than being diverted with people who just come on the live without anything that they're contributing, just to make an
Mm.
argument.
Are you
Yeah.
firing shots?
No. I'm just saying that we can make a difference. We can make a difference to the world. We've got
Yeah.
loads.
Yes.
The thing is that we don't we can be here online, yeah? But one thing that we have to acknowledge, yeah, we've got women who are being abused out there. We've got children who needs our help. So let's
Mm.
do this for a cause. So I would like to assign Ndika and my learned friend here to, if we can be able to do another live to try and identify
Correct.
kids
Very
who
soon.
are who are kids and women who are being abused, and some of them they cannot even go to school, they cannot do that. Let's do something in the community that way we live in. That's what I believe in. So I'll put it to Ndika, and if you can be able to assist with regards to that, then we can be able to look into that. We really
No
need
Yes.
to
problem. Man.
support our
Thanks.
women.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thanks so much, Mr. Exhibit. I will be in touch, my brother.
yeah, that's cool. But thanks very much for
Awesome.
it. Thanks, buddy. Have a good evening, everybody. Have
Yeah,
a good
no.
evening, everybody who is watching.
No problem, I
And
mean. Thanks so
Diga,
much.
my last words, ne?
Yeah, final closing words. Let's
Yeah,
as we're
my
wrapping up.
last words
And please don't say
is
anything about that guy. The mature guy is
I
gone. You
know
know
I'm
I'm
not.
immature. I'm immature. Me. I
I'm
won't
not.
stop
I'm
you. You
not.
know that.
My last words to my
Yeah.
black people out there is that the world is really getting more dark. Ne? The advice that I can give you guys is that from the moment you're on the spotlight, you become a target.
Mm,
And you become a target because you're shining. You are
mm,
shining because your light is too much on dark people. Dark people, I'm referring to people with dark hearts, right?
mm,
So the advice that I'm asking my black hustlers is that, Chief, the moment you start making money and you're able to buy a car, to buy a house, whatsoever, never put it under your name. That's the advice that I'm asking.
mm,
Because as we speak right now, my ID is roaming around. People are searching what I own, people are searching
mm,
what I have. And the advice that I can give them is that they will never find me.
mm,
I'm a
mm,
ghost.
mm.
And I've learned that through my lawyer because he
Yeah.
showed me an example of how he was able to see other people. And I was like, damn. So that's what the world has become. Black
Yeah.
people, when once you make it, first step, move out of the community that you are in. Secondly, all assets that you buy, never put them under your name. That is why even people who want FBK markets to go down today will never see the day of
Mm,
light because you cannot find me, but I'm the
mm.
owner. Thank you, my king.
DJ Coach, it's been a pleasure, my brother. You know, we'll talk on
Yeah.
WhatsApp, my brother.
Thank you, my king.
Thanks, my man. Thanks so much, man.
Sharp, sharp.
Ladies and gentlemen.